Looks heavy. Nothing's going through that. You see that? That's a hole, isn't it? It's not showing a hole. See it? Do you want to go around that right now? And fly at about 285 knots. 285? So then 242. We're slowing it up a bit here. 242, roger. Which way do we go? Cross here or go out? I don't know how we get through here, Bill. I know, you're just gonna have to go out. Yeah, right across that bend. All clear left approximately right now. I think we can cut across there now. Alright, here we go. We're picking up some ice, Bill. We are, above 10 degrees. Right at 10. I showed a weather up northwest of that position north of Rome, just on edge of it. I tell you what, maintain 5,000. Maintain 5,000. We're pretty good weather, 1 or 2 o'clock. It's got to be right through that hole right now. Southern 242, descend and maintain 4,000 at this time. Who's that? TWA. Southern 242, descend and maintain 4,000. 242 down to 14. Affirmative. Southern 242, Atlanta, altimeter 2956. And cross 40 miles northwest of Atlanta, 250 knots. Southern 242, Atlanta. Got it back. 232, stand by. Try again. Stand by. Roger, maintain 5,000 if you understand me. Maintain 5,000, Southern 242. We try to get it up there. Roger. Okay, 242, we just got our windshield busted and we're trying to get it back up to 15. We're 14. 15,000. Southern 242. You sure you're at 14 now? Yeah, couldn't help it. That's okay. You're squawking 5623. Left engine 1 spool. Our left engine just cut out. Southern 242, roger. And lost your transponder. Squawk 5623. I'm squawking 5623. Tell him I'm level 14. 5623, we're squawking. Sure you locked an engine and busted a windshield? Yes, sir. Autopilot's off. I've got it. I'll hand fly it. Southern 242, you can descend and maintain 3,000 now. That'll get you down a little bit lower. Bye. Beep. And the other engine's going too. Beep. We got the other one going too. Southern 242, show again. Stand by. We lost both engines. Alright, Bill. Get us a vector to a clear area. Get us a vector to a clear area, Atlanta. Continue present southeastern bound heading. TWA's off to your left about 14 miles at 14,000 and stay in the clear. Okay. Want us to turn left? Southern 242, contact approach control 126.9 and they'll try to get you straight into Dobbins. 1, 2. Give me. I'm familiar with Dobbins. Tell them to give me a vector to Dobbins if they're clear. Give me a vector to Dobbins if they're clear. Southern 242, 126.9. They'll give you a vector to Dobbins. 26.9, okay. Ignition override. It's gotta work by beep. There we go. Get us a vector to Dobbins. Atlanta, you read Southern 242. Southern 242, Atlanta approach control, go ahead. We've lost both engines. How about giving us a vector to the nearest place? We're at 7,000 feet. Southern 242, Roger, turn right heading 100. Will be vector 2 Dobbins for straight in approach runway 11, altimeter 2952. Your position is 15, correction 20 miles west of Dobbins at this time. What's Dobbins weather, Bill? How far is it? Okay, 140 heading and 20 miles. Make a heading of 120 Southern 242. Right turn 120. Okay, right turn 120, and got us our squawk. Haven't you on the emergency? Declare an emergency, Bill. I'm not receiving it, but radar contact. Your position is 20 miles west of Dobbins. We gotta get those engines, beep. Alright, listen. We've lost both engines, and I can't tell you the implications of this. We only got 2 engines. And how far is Dobbins now? 7242, 19 miles. Okay, we're out of 5800, 200 knots. What's our speed? Let's see. What's our weight, Bill? Give me a bug speed. 7242, do you have 1 engine running now? No. Negative, no engines. Roger. 126. 126. Just don't stall this thing out. No, I won't. Get your wing flaps. Got it. Got hydraulics, so we got hydraulics. What's the Dobbins weather? What's their Dobbins weather? Stand by. Get Dobbins on the approach point. I can't find Dobbins. Where's it at, Atlanta? Yes. Southern 242 Dobbins weather is 2,000 scattered, estimated ceiling 3,000 broken, 7,000 overcast, visibility 7 miles. Okay, we're down to 4,600 now. How far is it? Roger, and you're approximately 17 miles west of Dobbins at this time. I don't know whether we can make that or not. Roger. Ask him if there's anything between here and Dobbins. What? Ask him if there's anything between here and Dobbins. Is there any airport between our position and Dobbins? Southern 242, no sir. Closest airport is Dobbins. I doubt we're gonna make it. But we're trying everything we get till we get to something. Till we get something started. Well, Roger, there's a Cartersville. We're approximately 10 miles south of Cartersville. 15 miles west of Dobbins. We'll take a vector to that. Yes, we'll have to go there. Can you give us a vector to Cartersville? Alright, turn left heading of 360. Be directly, direct vector to Cartersville. 360, Roger. What runway? What's the heading on the runway? What's the runway heading? Stand by. How long is it? Stand by. Like we are, I'm picking out of a clear field. Bill, you gotta find me a highway. Let's get to the next clear field. No, beep. See a highway over. No cars. Right there. Is that a train? No. Southern 242, the runway configuration. We'll have to take it. At Cartersville is 360 and running north and south. And the elevation is 756 feet. And trying to get to the top length now. It's 3,200 feet long. We're putting it on the highway. We're down to nothing. Flaps. They're at 50. Oh, beep. Bill, I hope we can do this. Get the gear down. I've got it. I got it. I'm gonna land right over there. Over that guy. There's a car ahead. I got it, Bill. I've got it now. Okay. Don't start it. Don't stall it. Got it, bud. We're gonna do it right here. Got it. There's another car. What? Another car. The person who was driving the car was dead on impact. The back of the car was destroyed. And this red block right here slammed right into him. He got blown out and got shoved into the plane. Right here. He lost his head as he suffocated. This girl over here also lost her head when the window sliced it off. Her head ended up back here. She was a famous skier. 4 people in this accident is dead, including the one that was in the car. 6 people, including the captain, are alive.